The power within, unleashing your motivation. We all have dreams, aspirations that light up our hearts and minds. We all want a better life, filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. But wanting is not enough. It's the first step, but action is what turns dreams into reality. You need motivation to get you moving, to push you beyond your comfort zone. Motivation is the fire in your belly, the spark that ignites your passion. It pushes you to take action, to climb higher, run faster, and push harder. It fuels your journey to success, driving you to achieve your goals and celebrate your victories. And with the right vision, your journey can be amazing, filled with purpose and direction. Think of your motivation like a powerful engine, ready to propel you forward. It's ready to work for you, but it needs fuel, just like any engine. That fuel is your vision, the clear picture of what you want to achieve. Your vision is what you want to achieve, the target you aim for. It's your roadmap to a better future, guiding your steps and decisions. Without a vision, you're like a ship lost at sea, drifting without direction. You drift aimlessly, tossed about by the waves, struggling to find your way. But with a clear vision, you become the captain of your ship. You chart your course with confidence. You set sail for the destination of your dreams, navigating through challenges and celebrating your milestones. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Picture your success the vision thing. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. A vision is more than just a wish. It's a roadmap to your future. It's a clear picture of what you want to create. It's detailed and specific, outlining every step. You can see it, feel it, almost taste it. It's as if it's already within your grasp. The more vivid your vision, the more powerful it becomes. It fuels your motivation and drives your actions. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. Feel the exhilaration of success. What does success look like for you? Is it financial freedom, a new home, a thriving business? Is it more time with family, creating lasting memories with loved ones? Is it making a difference in the world, contributing to causes you care about? See it, feel it, believe it. Let your vision become a part of you. When you have a clear vision, you attract opportunities, you find solutions, you overcome obstacles, you become unstoppable. Why? Because your vision pulls you forward. It acts as a magnet, drawing you towards your dreams. It gives you a reason to keep going, even when things get tough. It provides the strength to persevere. Remember, your vision is unique to you. It's a reflection of your deepest desires and aspirations. Don't let anyone tell you what you should or shouldn't dream. Embrace your vision, nurture it, own it, let it guide you. Let it be the beacon that lights your path. They dared to dream stories of visionaries. History is full of people who dared to dream big. People who had a vision and refused to let it go. Think of Oprah Winfrey, who overcame incredible challenges to build a media empire. Or Elon Musk, who is revolutionizing transportation and space travel. These visionaries all had one thing in common: unwavering belief in themselves and their dreams. They didn't listen to the doubters. They focused on their vision and took massive action. You too have greatness within you. You have the power to achieve amazing things. All it takes is a spark of inspiration, a clear vision, and the courage to pursue it. Don't be afraid to dream big. The world needs your unique talents and contributions. Section 4, ONPASSIVE, your partner in reaching for the stars. Now, more than ever, there are tools and resources to help you achieve your vision. The digital age has brought forth an array of innovative solutions that can transform your ideas into reality. ONPASSIVE is one such tool. It stands out in the crowded marketplace by offering a comprehensive suite of services designed to empower you. It's more than just a company, it's a movement. A movement that fosters innovation, collaboration, and growth. A movement of people who believe in the power of dreams and are committed to helping each other succeed. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. ONPASSIVE provides innovative tools and resources that can help you build your own online business. From AI-driven solutions to user-friendly platforms, everything you need is at your fingertips. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or just starting out, ONPASSIVE has something for you. It caters to all levels of expertise and ambition. It's about leveraging technology to create abundance and freedom for everyone. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools and support. But ONPASSIVE is more than just tools. It's about community, it's about support, it's about building a network of like-minded individuals who share your vision. It's about surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who believe in your potential and want to see you succeed. Together we can reach for the stars and achieve greatness. Section 5, your vision, your future. Time to take charge. The power to create the life you want is in your hands. It starts with a vision. What do you want to achieve? What impact do you want to make? Write down your vision. Make it detailed. Make it emotional. Look at it every day. Let it fuel your motivation. Let it guide your actions. The journey won't always be easy. There will be challenges. There will be setbacks. But with a clear vision and unwavering determination, you will overcome them. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, embrace your vision, and take action. The future is yours to create. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to make money while online, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.